Real facts of Beirut explosion. You are looking at the picture of Port Beirut before blast, and that is the condition of port after blast. A massive explosion ripped through central Beirut, kills dozens of people, injuring thousands and blowing out windows in buildings across the city. Lebanon's Prime Minister Hassan Diab said that 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate, a highly explosive material used in fertilizers and bombs, had been stored for 6 years at a port warehouse without safety measures, endangering the safety of citizens. According to a statement, the Prime Minister called the storage of the material unacceptable and called for an investigation into the cause of the blast, with the results released within 5 days. According to the country's health minister, Hamad Hassan said the death toll from the blast is likely to continue to climb as more bodies are pulled from the wreckage. At least 78 people are known to have died and a further 4,000 wounded. Now I'll let you show another video clip in which you can see how the mushroom-shaped blast happens. So here's the video. So you can see that how it happens. At least 10 firefighters are missing, according to the city's governor Marwan Abu, who said the scene reminded him of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. In my life, I haven't seen destruction on this scale. Abu said this is a national catastrophe. One Beirut resident, who was several kilometers away from the site of the blast, said her windows had been shattered by the explosion. What I felt was that it was an earthquake. Prime Minister Diab described the explosion as a catastrophe. In his televised statement, he concluded by making an emergency call to all those countries who love this country to stand by us and to help us heal our deep wounds.